running? Why are you running?
Hello, this is more. Goddamn. Hello, this is Morse Mutual Insurance. What's fat bit? Oh, I don't know which one or two I should go get first. Over there, they got the tanks.
Wow.
Oh man, he's chasing a little plane. Keep killing those ones for sure. Why the fuck is there two more few creepers? Like, come on, man. Fuck is the point of killing me? I don't get it. Yeah, no, I started the GTA Enhanced version, and it's crazy work how hostile people are against a fucking like rank 14 or something, whatever I am. Well, I was doing fucking special cargo and my shit got blown up by a tree door and the guy just ran. Just for the whole rest of the session. He just kept running and running and running. Eventually I managed to get him. I don't even remember how. But I managed to kill him and then we fought on ground for a little bit. Ended up getting him like 10-3. And then he fucking left. Because he just didn't want to play anymore, right? Because I fucking owned him. But he got the satisfaction of just showing the fucking cargo. I want this Mark II to go for me. That's gonna hit. Guaranteed. Yes, sir. Right. Yeah, he's gonna leave, seriously. I don't want him to kill me because then he'll be up on me. I want him to do his little mission, you know? I'd feel really bad if he didn't get it. Because I was also trying to do these fucking like stupid ass missions. But I'm just real gonna get this way easier. Get the fuck out. What? Buddy, what are you doing? I'm trying to help you guys. No, because I was also trying to do those missions and bro, I just kept getting my ass fucked, so I feel really, really bad for him. So yeah. No, Rexies. No, don't do it.
I'm gonna do it!
Really, bro, you're gonna use a 15k ghost orb just because you want to get his gold? That's not even gonna give you 50k if you deliver it? Dude, you're so fucking pathetic, bro. Probably gonna get fucked now. I already had a missile. Someone's gonna after him. Fuck. God damn it, Rexies, are you kidding me now? Oh. Shoot, why is it deluxe? Maybe. Oh my god, where is he? Shut the fuck up. Dude, that's bullshit. I hit him like 4 times.
Stop the cap!
Oh. Misty. Okay, wait. They're not actually sorry. Yeah, that's right, dumbass. I got a pretty lucky headshot there, I'll be honest. Lucky spawn. Can someone help with the group? Is this guy brain dead or what? Like honestly, Jesus Christ. Oh, missed. Oh, I missed you. Shit. Cut your ass. Oh, well, we're gonna CEO again. I need this. I need a CEO right now. I need to be a CEO. Oh my god, you're so fucking stupid. Oh, what the fuck? This guy. Why is he here again? If I'm gonna get 2v1 and I don't have DSC, okay, I can get DSC again. Thank god. I think I was running from me just a second ago, and now that it's 2v1, and suddenly. Don't tell me he's gonna run again. Oh my god. Get the fuck out, dumbass. Seriously, that hit? Dude, I thought that was miles away. Alright, well maybe I should have EVO'd. Got Rexy in the tank. Okay, yeah, no. Not around here. We're not doing that. We are not doing that, my friend.
Yeah, boy.
Now we're gonna get them to go over to each other. Just maybe. I don't know. Oh, he teleported away because I waited too long. I'm so dumb. Shit. Yeah, that's just my fault. Okay. Wait, no, what? He's still there. What do you mean target is lost then? What? What kind of bullshit is this? Come on, bro. Yeah, look, he's right there. Okay, sure. Fucking target is lost. Suck my ass. They're together. Get the fuck out. That's what you get, bitch. Dumbasses. Dumbass, bro. I bet he's 15 or less. Dumbass. Alright, if Rexy's does decide to orb me, I really don't care. Fuck! They were already saying I was using them R2, which I wasn't even. Yeah, that deluxe is coming from my ass, but maybe I can get away quick.
You can't.
Fuck! Why did
You cannot.
Fuck! Why did you shoot me, you stupid asshole? I'm fucking teaming with you. Yeah, you know what? Yeah, the fucking deluxe killed me, bro. He deserves to die. Alright, doesn't matter. See? Oh no, that, oh! Or he. I wonder what he's gonna say. I mean, I should be able to just railgun these jets, right? What's gonna? Oh, that guy left. Well, score was even between us, so it's fine. They're just gonna run off. I need some help, bro. These guys are crying. They are seriously just constantly killing people and then crying when they get killed. And not in the sense of like, oh, you're so bad. No, literally in the sense of, I need help. Like, what? Cuz? Was Zatka gone away? Oh, shut the fuck up. How did he kill Scrooge? Where is Scrooge? I literally don't get it. Or did Scrooge go ghost? That's possible, but I mean, he can hit me quite a good few times with that Raju before I die, so I'm not too worried. I think Scrooge is probably Ghost Org. I just didn't see him go Ghost Org. Probably. What the? I think I still should get another kill on this Deluxo guy, because this Deluxo guy is just a stupid cunt. Deluxo, I was trying to help. Oh my god. Oh, he's in a savage. Yeah, you got fucked, you dumbass. Off radar and all. He's really a noob. I don't know who he's talking about. Definitely not about me though. I'm a pro. Pro gamer. Oh, Rexy's his ghost again. Rexy just hit me with his minigun. You know what, buddy? I'm not gonna bother. I'm not. I'm just gonna go hide in my office until you're out. I don't even think I've gone Ghost Org once in this whole fight. It's also crazy to think that this all happened because they so felt the need to attack that guy trying to move his gold. And then I was just like, no.
I'm gonna do it.
You cannot.
Which I think I'm in the right for that, you know. I think I was doing the right thing. Let's take on. Oh fuck no. You know what? I might just go ghost as well. What? Yeah, look, he is up here. Alright, I thought he was. I wonder how long he's gonna stay there. Imagine using everything just to lose 12-1. I don't know who whose side is Fumiki on. Oh, he's with them. He's in the same server. Okay, right. Same server, same MC code. God damn, speaking's hard, isn't it? Alright. Also, I did just see that he is not on there anymore, so that either means that he's teleported away, or maybe he's gone. No, he hasn't gone off radar again. That's not possible. Shit. Wait, what? Was I still in the invincible thing or something? Yo, I'm hopping off, bro. I don't care. No way, bro. What? He put proxies up on that bitch. Hell no. Get the fuck out, bro. You're so stupid. You're so stupid. You're so stupid. You're so stupid. I do think that Scrooge is not trying to fuck with me, though. Right? As far as I can tell. Oh, shit. Oh, we're not gonna do that. I'm not gonna play when you're playing with that. But no worries. Noob stays noob. Bro, you're literally like 5v1ing anyone that you can get your hands on. What do you think? Everyone here except for I'm gonna send you a message now because I'm a cunt. Watch him say like, you impregnate my mom, I want a little brother like you. That'd be crazy work. But no, don't do it. Don't do it. Don't do it. Okay, don't do it. You don't do me, I don't do you. Alright, I don't fuck with you. You don't fuck with me. Friend, come on. Anyone understands that? Don't do it. Don't do it. Don't. Oh yes, bro. Fuck yeah. I tried to fix things with that guy, but he wasn't having any of it. I'll be real. Get in. No. 2 insurgents is crazy work. I do see one though. Come on, bro, just give me the shot. Ah, come on, get the fuck out. I've killed him anyway, so I don't know. I would have probably missed as well. Oh, I'm missing the gun. Bro. No. Don't tell me my game just crashed. I'll be so mad. Bro, my game just stopped. My game just froze. Are you kidding me? What? Please just continue. Please.